drilled holes in the bottoms of our pine cones. And I do have a hot glue gun on. So I'm just trying to find, this is like the biggest bit. And that's the bit size I'm using. It's whatever the one is that's the largest. So I'm going to put that in, press and hold the silver button. And that allows me to tighten the black screw. And then it'll snap. And then it can't be pulled out. So on the back sides of these, you can either take floral wire and you can wrap it around the base of your pine cones, or we can drill out. There's like a hard part that you have to go through initially, and then it'll go all the way in, just like that. So get past the little core, the base. Just have patience while it goes all the way through. And all of a sudden it'll just go boop, and just drop right in. There's that one. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Got those ones in. Now, because I literally save everything. All of like little leftover floral pigs. I save these. So I'm gonna put a dollop of glue right over where I did my hole. I'm gonna go ahead and push that down. We'll let that dry. Right over the hole. Push these in, or you could just get floral wire as well. We're going to end up cutting those down quite a bit. Right over there. No, nothing is glued in. Nope, nothing is glued in. I didn't want it glued in because I want to be able to take it apart and just make it something else. I need one more. I needed 4. Probably need more, but we'll initially do 4. Oop. There we go. That one worked really good. Make sure you blow all your little pine cone dust out of the bottom. And stuff those in. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut the ones that we did earlier. Just like that. So now we have our own pine cone picks. Because we're resourceful like that, right, ladies? So we can just pop them in. Grab the one that's sitting over here. Putting one on each end.